This is Lionel Messi's home in the Bellamar neighborhood of Castelldefels near Barcelona, Spain. He bought the property in 2009 for just under $2 million, tore down the original home, and spent another $6 million building this new home. The house includes features like a swimming pool and hot tub, a mini soccer field, a half basketball court, a tennis court, an indoor gym, and a terrace. The property also includes a 2-story guest house. This area is known for its beautiful views and proximity to the Mediterranean Sea. Additionally, Lionel Messi owns a luxurious penthouse in the Porsche Design Tower in Miami, known for its automotive elevator that takes residents' cars directly to their units. This high-rise is one of the most unique in Miami, offering incredible ocean views and a private restaurant. Messi's penthouse features floor-to-ceiling windows, expansive balconies, and high-end finishes throughout. Would you live here, and are you a fan of Lionel Messi?